This is one of the most interesting smart displays designed specifically for modern bathrooms, spas, and hotel spaces. The Soulaca 32-inch 4K touchscreen Android Mirror TV brings a blend of high-end design and powerful smart features that most typical TVs can't match. Instead of looking like a display, it appears as a clean, frameless mirror when turned off, giving the entire room a sleek, premium feel. Once the screen lights up, the 4K panel shows crisp detail, rich color, and a smooth image that elevates any environment instantly. The Android system makes the experience familiar and easy to navigate. Streaming apps, music, online content, and screen mirroring all work quickly and smoothly. The interface responds instantly to touch, and scrolling through apps and settings feels natural. The touchscreen layer is surprisingly accurate, even with wet fingers, making it ideal for bathroom use. A big highlight is the IP65 waterproof protection. Moisture-heavy rooms, hot showers, and high humidity don't impact the performance at all. The exterior is sealed tightly, so splashes and steam won't affect the internal components. That level of protection makes this display practical in places where normal TVs would fail. Sound quality is solid for a waterproof design. Voices come through cleanly, highs are sharp, and the bass is respectable considering the sealed housing. Bluetooth connectivity adds flexibility, allowing pairing with external speakers for a fuller audio experience. Wi-Fi performance is reliable as well, keeping streaming content smooth and stable. The 4K resolution brings sharp clarity that stands out even from a distance. Whether watching shows, checking news updates, listening to music, or running apps, the display stays vibrant and consistent. The viewing angles are wide, which helps in spaces like bathrooms where you move around frequently. Installation options are flexible, and the mirror effect adds a premium aesthetic that complements modern interiors. It's a functional display when needed and a stylish mirror when not in use. It also supports a range of smart features like Chromecast style casting, Bluetooth accessories, and app downloads from the built-in Android system. This model feels designed for people who appreciate a mix of technology and luxury. It adds convenience, entertainment, and a clean look without adding clutter. It's not just a TV. It's a smart upgrade for homes, spas, and commercial spaces looking to elevate the overall experience. Anyone wanting performance, durability, and modern style in a single package will find a lot to love here. And if this Soulaca 32-inch 4K touchscreen Android bathroom mirror LED, smart TV IP65 waterproof, UHD Wi-Fi Bluetooth frameless, ATSC SPA Hotel 2025 model sounds right for your setup, the purchase link is available in the description.